We now know how much feed we have on farm and how much is growing. We now need to calculate how much feed we need to sustain the livestock we have on farm and calculate how much feed we'll need for the next days, weeks and months. We need to be able to match grass supply with livestock demand. Livestock feed demand is mainly dependent on two factors. One, livestock weight, and two, livestock production requirements, which is linked to how much they're growing and how much weight they're putting on and how much they're lactating. The following tables display how the demand needs of different stock classes varies. This table shows what percentage body weights need to be used when calculating beef and sheep demand. This table shows how dairy cow demand increases as cow weight and production increases. These 50 kilo dry ewe lambs are allocated grass for maintenance plus growth at 2.5%, which is 1.25 kilograms dry matter. These 70 kilogram ewes rearing twins will be on peak lactation and therefore will have a 4% demand, which equates to 2.8 kilograms dry matter a day each. Here we have a group of bulling heifers weighing on average 220 kilograms. We are targeting for these to put up to 1 kilogram a day on in weight, therefore need 2.5% of their body weight in dry matter of feed daily, which is 8 kilograms dry matter a day. I will use these bulling heifers as an example to make some useful calculations. The group demand is the average weight multiplied with the body weight percentage, then multiply the answer with the number of livestock in the group. As you can see, this group of heifers will need to have 1,120 kilograms dry matter available to them every day. Calculating demand per hectare is very useful when designating a total grazing area for livestock. These heifers have 24 hectares allocated to their rotation. We simply divide the group demand by the area available. In this example, it needs to be growing on average 47 kilograms dry matter a day to meet this group's demand. In the next video, I'll be discussing post-grazing residuals.